Hello students, I hope you all are safe and healthy. I Ajit Singh from Colonel's Prattland Public School will teach you computer of grade 5. So this is a part 1 video of the chapter 1 evolution of computer. So dear students, I am introducing this new book. Its name is Cyber Tools. So let us start the chapter number 1 evolution of computer. Now we will discuss about history of computer. Every aspects of our lives in the present era has been influenced by the most advanced machine known as a computer. So initially computer were used only by scientists and engineers for complex calculations and were very expensive. But nowadays computers are cheaper, computer बहुत सस्ता है and even small organizations and individuals can afford them. जैसे छोटी organization और आप personally afford कर सकते हैं. Computer have now become a basic needs because of their uses at almost every workplace. Computers are used extensively in banks, hospitals, media and entertainment industries, schools, homes, space technologies and research, railways, airports and so on. ये इतनी सारी जगह पर कंप्यूटर का यूज़ होता है. The terms computer is divided from the word compute, which means compute का मतलब होता है calculate, but computer is not limited to perform only calculation. So a computer is very versatile device. ये बहुत computer is a versatile device that can handle different application at the same time. ये एक समय पर कई सारी applications handle कर सकता है, चला सकता है. Andre Trong Thi, 1936 to 2005, a Vietnamese French engineer, is considered to be the father of the personal computer for creating the microcomputer based on an Intel 8008 processor in 1973. Do you know how computer come into existence? The present day computer is entirely different from the earlier devices that were invented for doing calculations. So let us glance through the major milestones in the journey leading to the evolution of present day computers. Now history of computer. So let us discuss about the history of computer. The need to keep the track of numbers led to the invention of different calculating devices. Starting from the abacus, the first counting device, many devices were invented leading to the development of computers. Various calculation devices. 3000 BC abacus. Abacus was the first mechanical device for calculation developed in the China. It was made up of wooden frames with the rods each having beads. हर एक में बीड होता है. The frame is divided into two parts. फ्रेम को दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया गया है, हेवन और अर्थ. Each rods in heavens has two beads. हेवन में दो बीड्स होती हैं. And each rods of earth to be having 5 beads. It was used for addition, subtraction and multiplications and division also. Fact file. In 1617, John Napier made a calculating device, a set of rectangular rods called Napier's bones. The rods were made up of carved bones which were used for performing addition, subtractions, multiplications and division and square root also. Pascal adding machine. Sir Blaise Pascal, a French mathematician, invented an adding machine called the Pascal's calculator at the age of 19 in the year 1642. It used gears, wheels, and dials. So numbers were displayed by rotating the wheel. It was capable of performing addition and subtractions. The gear principle was further employed in mechanical calculators. Taximeter is perfect example of a mechanical calculator. Leibniz calculator. Leibniz का calculator. Leibniz, the famous German mathematician, improved on the Pascal machine. इन्होंने पास्कल मशीन को इम्प्रूव किया इन 1671 टू मेक द लेबनीज कैलकुलेटर और उसे लेबनीज कैलकुलेटर बनाया. इट वाज अ मैकेनिकल डिवाइस. ये क्या थी? एक मैकेनिकल डिवाइस थी. अपार्ट फ्रॉम परफॉर्मिंग एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शंस, द लेबनीज कैलकुलेटर could even do multiplications, divisions, and find square root. Early idea inventors. Charles Babbage. Do you know, students, who is the Charles Babbage? Charles Babbage, a British mathematician, is considered as the father of computer. He invented a working model of mechanical computer called the differentiate engine in 1822 and analytical engine in 1833. The analytical engines had 5 units: input, output, and store, mill, and control. These units works like the modern computer. All the computers which are used nowadays are based on it. Store was used for storing the data, and mill was the calculating unit. Control unit was used for supervising all the units. Fact file for you, students. Around 1820, Charles Xavier Thomas created the first commercial mechanical calculator, Thomas arithmeters, that could add, subtract, multiply, divide. It was based on Leibniz's work. Augusta Ada Lovelace. Lady Augusta Ada Lovelace was English mathematician and writer chiefly known for the work on Charles Babbage analytical engine. She is considered as the first programmer who suggests binary data storage 0 and 1 instead of decimal number system. George Boole. George Boole was an English mathematician. He realized that complex mathematical problems could be solved by reducing them to a series of equations having either positive and negative answer. He linked them the binary number system and represented the positive results by 1 and the negative result by the 0. This theory of Boolean logic became the fundamental principle for the design of computer circuitry. Dr. Herman Hollerith. Herman Hollerith, an American statistician, invented a machine called tabulating machine. It was capable of reading data, processing it gives the desired output. The input was given through the punched cards. The punch card used to record and store data. Know the fact? In 1890, the United States Census Bureau used punch card and sorting machines designed by Herman Hollerith. Early ID inventor John von Neumann. A modern type of computer come into existence with the John von Neumann's development of software written in binary codes. It was John von Neumann who started the practice of storing data and instruction in binary codes in memory. Neumann joined hands with the Presper Eckert and John Mauchly, American physicist in consulting role, and ADVAC was built using binary codes in 1950. ADVAC's concept storing different programs on punch card led to the advancement of computers that we know today. Howard Aiken was the primary engineer in IBM who developed the first automatic sequence controlled calculator, the Mark I, in 1944. It was capable to execute long computations automatically.